Okay, so let's say that we are doing our weekly planning, okay, and we've done our online timetable together, and now we want to put it in the document that we share with our kids. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to your daily assignments, and you're going to find the very last one that you did. Okay, so let's say it's this one. So here's the very last one that we did. But this is for yesterday, and I want to make one for today, or I want to make one for tomorrow. So I go back to my Google Drive, and I go to our online timetable. And let's just make sure that it's the one that we want. All right, let's just say we want to do it for... It's very, very slow. It won't go down. Okay, let's pretend we are doing it. Let's pretend we're doing it for the 6th of May. Okay, obviously we haven't done the work in here yet, or I haven't. Go up. I'm just going to pretend. Okay, so here's Monday, May 4th. Okay, now I don't want to do it on this one. Whoops, it didn't change. There we go. I don't want to do it on this one because this is for April 30th, right? And if I change it on here, then April 30th will change. So what do? I make a copy of this document. File, make a copy. Copy of April 30th. Yes, I do want that. Press OK. And now I'm actually going to get rid of this one. I don't want that one open anymore because I like a neat. Okay, so here is copy of April 30th. This is not the original document. This is the copy of it. So now I can change everything in here, and that's where you make sure. So let's pretend this is going to be May 4th. Okay, but I'm not going to make it May 4th because I already have that one, so I'm going to call it May 5th. Okay, don't forget to make your changes up here. I'm just doing that for... So this is going to be 5 May, and it's Tuesday. So I'm lazy. I like to keep as much as I can. There we go, Tuesday. So assignment 3K for Tuesday, May 5th. May 5th, 3K daily assignment sheet. Okay, now this is still the assignment for May 30th. So I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to find May 5th, which is right here. Okay, and I'm going to highlight everything. Now remember, sometimes it's on the next page, so make sure you can see both and it's all in there. So you highlight it, or you can even do this. You can do all of it. Okay, now it's highlighted. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to right click because I want to tell the computer to do something to the stuff that I've just chosen. When it's highlighted, it means this is what I choose. When you do that with your, whoops, sorry. Sometimes when you wait too long, it thinks you have forgotten and the computer will do whatever you want. So now I'm going to right click. All right, and what do I want to do? I want to copy this information. I don't want to take it from this document. I just want to copy it. So now I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go back to May 5th, and I'm going to put all of that in. Control V, and there it is. There's my May 5th information. All right, now here's the other thing that's very cool. See this folder up here? I know that I did this in the April folder because what was my original document was the April folder, but I need this to go into my May folder. So I'm going to go up here, look at it again, it says move. I'm going to click on that. And I want it in daily assignments, but I want it in the May folder. So I go back to daily assignments, click on it. Oh, maybe it's not showing up here. I don't see the folder. No, but that's the document. I wanted to say folder. Okay, so, all right, so let's just leave it alone for now because it's not showing up for some reason. All right, now it's done. Let me go back to my folder. All right, there's my drive. There's my daily assignments. you know what? I did this for everybody except for myself. I didn't do it for myself. I did it for Ria and for Von Guy. So actually, I'm going to show you something while we're here. All right, I'm going to make a new folder, and I'm going to call it April. And I'm going to create that. And then I'm also going to create a new folder in here again. And I'm going to call it May. Okay, now let's go back to our original document. So here we are at May 5th, right? And I want this to go into the May folder. So watch, click on Move. Oh, there it is. Click on May, move it, and there you have it.